Hello friends, in today's video we will see how we can convert the file with the extension ESD to ISO. We might have encountered an issue where, it's a scenario where we have file format is in ESD. So actually the file ESD stands for Microsoft Electronic Software Download Application. So that's the reason it's called the Windows Electronic Software Download file. An ESD file stores an encrypted Windows image format, that is WimFile. Whenever we download such files directly from Microsoft, we get this format of ESD. For example, when we download such files for Windows 10, or we try to upgrade the OS to Windows 10. So this is the same issue. The same scenario where I have downloaded Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft site, and when I try to mount it, you go here to these sources. You can see here install.esd, and prior to this, earlier we used to get install.wim file, right? So for example, I have here MSD configure, and if you try to import this image file here, it will not allow you. Okay, I'll show you this. Let's go to source. So it doesn't recognize here, and it will give you an error that it does not contain any OS file. So now what's the fix? Like, how do we convert it to ISO, and how do we read it? So in today's video, I'll show you how we can convert this ESD file to ISO format, and then use it in how we used to do it previously. So to start with, okay, I think something went wrong. Okay, to start with, let's first of all copy this file to any of the other drive. Let's create a new folder here. Okay, and then you need to open command prompt as administrator. Okay, so file is copied now. Now you need to run this command to get the information about this ESD file. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so from this output we can say that this is Windows 10 and Pro. Okay, so these are the indexes, and based on this index we can create the ISO file. So it has multiple versions. If you want to create for Windows 10 Home Edition, we need to select index 2, but for me, I mean in my case, I would be selecting index 6 because I need ISO for Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so just go here and add your index, that is index 6 in my case. Okay, so now just run this command here. Okay. Now this is a destination file, so it will convert into install.wim file. This will take a while, so by that time I will pause my video, and once the export is completed I'll resume it. It's 98% completed, so this is about to finish. And friends, you can also use the compression method as fast. I am using max so that to compress it even more and save disk space. And if you select, you can also put an option as fast, and which will not take so much time. It's completed 100%. Okay. Okay, so the operation is completed. Now let's check here, and we can see the install.wim file here. So this is the Windows image file. We have converted ESD to Vim, and now let's try to import it. Okay, it seems it needs, okay. See, I have selected this full set of source files. So if we are selecting this option, in that case we should be copying this install.wim file in the source directory. That is, copy this Vim file to the extracted ISO, go inside sources and paste it here. It will take some time, and or also if you can directly select this option and use the Vim file generated. So, but I'll go ahead with the first full set of sources. So let's just copy, get completed, then I'll proceed. Okay, so copy is completed. Let's go ahead and select the complete entire directory. You can give it the name. Okay, fine. Okay, it says access denied. That's okay, not a problem. Since the last time we have selected move directory, so we got an error regarding the permission. So this time I'm doing just copy. So it should complete now. The import is completed. So friends, in this way you can import ESD file to our MDT deployment share, and now you can rename it here to say anything Windows 10. So if I'll provide this command under the comment section of this video, and if you like the video or you have any question, you can put it in comment section, and you can subscribe to my channel to get posted about the new videos. Thank you.